Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today. So Pepe is down, really down, and it seems like you have already made it to the historical buying level on the RSI. So it's pretty much the lowest of the lowest at the moment, I guess. And yes, Bitcoin is also down. So maybe it's time to finally try to push back up again, maybe one more time. So there's a little bit of support going on in here. So if I take the trend line and I do drop the trend line right over there, then you can see that Pepe is once again at the biggest support that it previously had. I remember giving you an update of this inverse head and shoulders, which actually broke above. You came for the retest and you actually pushed to the upside as well. So this here resistance is there, turned into support here. Once again, you've come back and you've actually touched it, and you can see that you've already made a dragonfly doji, which actually signifies a move to the upside. Now today, if you make it back, I think you're looking to make it back to 10,318. So if you make it back to 10,318, you are going to have a morning star all in all, and then from here you may start to push to the upside. Now I personally have a very strong belief that this is your bottom and your new stop loss is actually going to be somewhere down to 7307, and this to me is the end. Okay, I think that's it. You're not going any lower. People are saying that yeah, the market is looking to still continue to drop and this and that. I think it's not. Personally, I don't think it's going any lower than this. Maybe this was the end of the downtrend that we were looking at for the past couple of days, which was pretty stressful for everyone. Then again, as I said before, nothing to be bothered. I'm not bothered, to be honest with you, because I do believe that if you can see this, you can definitely see this as well, right? So whenever you look at this, try to balance your emotions thinking about that as well. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love you.